how's it going? My name's Eric. Welcome to my channel. If you find this information useful, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. On this video today, I'm going to show you on the free version of TradingView, how to find stocks. There's two different screeners, so I'll show you those. I'll show you a setup to find it, to possibly find in where it's kind of hit bottom, and it has a potential to go up as well. So let's jump to it. Here's the opening page, and you would just go to products here, and if you click it too many times, you're going to get that. So you're just going to hover over and get screeners here, and then we're just going to go to stocks. And we're getting a lot of ads for Cyber Monday. Okay, but that's not what this video is about. So once we're here in the stock screener, you're going to hit this plus sign. And I like to start off with market data, and I like average volume. And I just like to do 30 days, and I'll add the filter. Now, you're not done here. You'll have to click on and actually do manual setup and put in how many. Some like 1,500,000. I'll do 750,000. And that gets us down to 2,500. I also like to go in here and do technicals. So you can click on technicals, and you can just go down here to moving average, converges, diverges, or MACD. You can just click on here and add the filter, but you'll have to click on, and I like to do level crosses up signal, and we're down to 95. Then I'll go on here, I'll go back to technicals, and I'll go back down to SMA, or simple moving average. Click on that. I'll do the 200 day and add that filter, but you have to go back and change it. I want it below the price. So usually that would mean the 200 is on the up. So the stock is moving up over 200 days. Then I like to add another filter, even though I'm down to 38. You could use the 38, but I like to go down here, and I like to get it down a little bit more, and I like to go back to the SMA, and I like to go down to the 9-day setting and add the filter, and then I simply go back up, and I do below the price 0 to 10%. Which is 22. You can even make it less. You can click on here and go to manual setup, and then you can see it's 0 to 10%. You can even do it 0 to 3%. I'll have to hit apply, and we're down to 11. Pretty nice. Well, let's click on see how we did. RTX. This is Saturday, November 30th, I believe, 29th. I'm bad with dates. So yeah, you'll have to click full chart to see how this is setting up. We're looking, and I got a buy signal, and the RSI is on the uptrend. So this is what looks like a possibility. If you're wondering how to get this and you haven't seen my video, I'll tell you. This is an all-in-one indicator I use, and this one is really nice. It has the super trend, it has the buy, sell signals, and it has the SMA. 9 is the red, yellow is EMA 20, the blue is SMA 50, and then this white line is actually an SMA 180. And to get this, which is pretty nice if you're a beginner, just to look at things, you're going to go to indicators up here in this part of the free version. You'll just simply type in SMA 9/50/180. And it's this one buy, sell. It'll pop up. It's by this N. Phillips SCW, and it's what I use. If you want to make changes, you can go over here to this octagon thing with the circle. That's why settings pops up. And a lot of times I like to get rid of the buy, sell chart line. That's the super trend line, just because it already has the sell and buy. But sometimes the super trend shows up a little bit earlier, so you may want to take advantage. So there's that. Let's go to the other screener. There is another screener, and that is just below here, right down here. So, and as you can see, it's got 77,600. So they have these here. They always put like the top, like the Magnificent 7 stocks. I believe these are Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Meta, Tesla. So it's nice that they show these. But there's a filters blue tab here. You can just hit filters. This is the other screen there. And so it's got all this stuff. So as you can see, there's average volume, and it's on less than 50,000. So I would just turn that up to about 750 like we had on the other one. So we got that. Let's see what it goes down to. 2,000. You can click filters again. It does it almost instantaneously, which is kind of nice. And then you can just click on technicals here just to get down to technicals. And as you can see, there are a ton of technicals that you can use. You can just go, crazy, but I'll go down to the moving averages here. As you can see, I can do below. It's got a SMA 200. And then you can just go by price, that it's below the price. And then you could also, if you were going, you could just simply go over here to the SMA 10 and price below, and then value, you would want to go price. But you can see, you can also do 5, 20. They also do it in different counts, and even the EMAs you could do it if they're crossing or they're below. But I'm just going to do price, and we're down to 1,000. You can also do the MACD signal. That's right here. You should also do stochastic, and it's got Bollinger Bands also, if you're familiar with those. But I like to just go do MACD. And I like to do, on this one, you'll have to do, if it's an uptrend, you'll want to do where it crosses down. And then value, the MACD level 1226. And we got 36 matches. This is almost similar to what I just did, but it gives you a little bit more. And then, so if you wanted to do that, the thing that's nice about this is they put the, you can see RTX popped up on top, just like our other one. You don't have to go through all the, you don't have to, it gets rid of, so you can just click on, go down and click on them real quick. It's a lot quicker. You just don't get to narrow down some of those setups like I did on the SMA 9, where I did 0 to 3%, but it gets you pretty close. And if it's going to get you 36 more, you do get to go through them a lot quicker. And that's what we want, quicker, so that we can get through, see if we see something that we put on our watch list, see if we can see something to, of course, we're paper trading with all this knowledge that I'm giving you to you. Always do your due diligence and check everything once, twice, 3 times, any information you get on the internet or that I give to you. So with that, I'm going to end this video. As always, I hope if you found any of this information useful, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.